Hey everyone, Casey Dimon here. We're talking today about tax sales in the state of Connecticut. Now, Connecticut is a redeemable deed state. In a redeemable deed state, you are purchasing a piece of property subject to the delinquent owner's right to pay off those taxes during the redemption period. This differs from a tax lien where you're just purchasing a lien on the property and not the actual property itself. In Connecticut, the minimum bid is determined by the county it is located in and is based off the amount of total taxes, interest, fees, and other charges that are due on that property. The auction process is very simple in that the person who is willing to pay the most amount of money for the piece of property will go away at the auction as a winner. Now, after the auction, the tax collector will go ahead and prepare and sign a deed that will establish the transfer of ownership for that piece of property to the winning bidder once it is recorded. However, it is not recorded right away. The deed instead is held for a period of 6 months in most cases. These 6 months are going to be known as the redemption period. If the property is redeemed during this redemption period, that deed will be discarded, and the investor will instead receive a return of 1.5% interest per month during this 6-month period. If the property is not redeemed during this time, the deed then goes to recording, and it's recorded, and the bidder becomes the owner of the property at that time. Now back to the auction. At the auction, registration typically takes place the day of the auction, and a deposit might be required in order to bid. Most auctions in Connecticut do require in-person bids. Some do allow authorized agents, but check with the specific county you're interested in to confirm their requirements and whether or not true absentee bids are allowed in that specific county. The sales are going to be handled by the county treasurer's office, and they're held throughout many months of the year. A simple Google search of the county that you're interested in, followed by the word treasurer, will be a great starting place for finding information on the county that you're interested in. And while you're on Google, if you like to read all the legal jargon when it comes to Connecticut tax foreclosure laws, go on over there and search Connecticut General Statutes, Title 12, Chapter 204. I really hope you've enjoyed this video on the breakdown of the Connecticut tax foreclosure laws. To see other videos just like this about other states, head on over to taxselacademy.com and click on our state guide. Have a wonderful day, folks. Bye-bye.